Welcome back to Vera Shares. I'm Vera Monica. Guys, imagine this. Your child is sick. You're standing at the hospital pharmacy, and the staff says, "It's all free, ma'am or sir. No payments, no bills. You can go straight home." This isn't a dream. It's reality now. Zero balance billing, or ZBB, is a revolutionary policy now in effect in 87 Department of Health (DOH) hospitals. What does it mean? Admitted under basic ward, no payment, medicine, room, procedures covered, dialysis, surgeries, maternity care, all free. No more second guessing. That's a game changer. It's all funded through PhilHealth and public funds. Because the Department of Health expects a rise in patients availing of services in these 87 DOH hospitals. With 15% more funds, DOH hospitals can now serve more patients. Now, let's clear things up a bit. Zero balance billing currently applies only to basic ward accommodations. It does not yet include GOCC hospitals, such as the Philippine Heart Center, Lung Center, or NKTA. But expansion is planned. You know what really stood out to me? When President Bongbong Marcos said this.
Serbisyong outpatient, kasama rin po ngayon ang PhilHealth. Kapag may kailangan kayong dalhin sa emergency, wag po kayong mag-atubiling itakbo sa ospital. Covered na rin po yan ng PhilHealth. Itinuloy na po natin ang zero balance billing. Libre po.
Because for so long, so many families had to worry. May pambayad ba tayo sa ospital? But now, this is the new face of a government that listens. Zero balance billing is more than policy. It's a fulfilled promise. Healthcare is now a right, not a privilege. And that's powerful. Because dignity isn't just about money. It's about knowing that in your most vulnerable moment, someone has your back. Finally, public service feels personal. Bahala ka becomes kami ang bahala sa'yo. That's what leadership should be. When people are in pain or afraid, the government moves first. Not with excuses, but with action. Millions of families can now sleep peacefully. Before, parents had to choose between medicine or dinner. Now, they can have both. Now, families can spend on school, business, or home, no longer just hospital bills. That simple shift means dreams can finally be prioritized over debts. That's not just economic impact. That's life-changing. For many, it's their first time leaving a DOH hospital without a bill. That changes everything. The truth is, the funding isn't small. PhilHealth now covers up to 210,000 pesos for life-saving operations, like open heart surgery. This means health coverage is no longer minimal. It's becoming comprehensive. If it's free, who pays? The answer? The government. It's a team effort. PhilHealth, PCSO, and even PAGCOR are all working together. So Filipinos don't have to carry the burden alone. It's a national collaboration. A unified effort with one goal: no Filipino should be denied care because they can't afford it. And now, with the eGov app, families can access assistance faster and more efficiently without the old paperwork. Zero balance billing isn't just reform. It's a moral movement. The government shows up at people's most vulnerable moments, when they're afraid, sick, and alone.
The joint session is hereby adjourned. On the part of the House of Representatives, the joint session is adjourned.
And says, we are here. This is what real care from a nation looks like. It doesn't wait for the people to act first. The government leads the way. Because in a just society, compassion moves first. Whether you live in a far-flung barangay or in the heart of the city, this policy brings back something we all deserve: dignity. The government's digital shift now means access is faster. No long lines, barriers, just direct help when it matters most. This ensures that no one is left behind, especially in moments of emergency. I know many people who used to fear hospital bills. Now, they can get well without going broke. That's the power of zero balance billing. What would zero balance billing mean for your family? Let's talk about it below. And please share this video. Everyone deserves to know. As always, sending you love and light. Let's keep looking out for each other. See you in the next Vera Shares.